I welcome you to our lecture series on design of transmission systems. This particular lecture series will cover basic fundamental principles, innovations and applications that applied to all the machines and mechanisms in the world of engineering. Mechanical power transmission system, it is a silent force that transforms energy from one form to another, ensuring that the wheels of progress keep turning. Think about it, from the smallest gears in a wristwatch to the massive turbines generating electricity, mechanical power transmission systems are the silent enablers of the motion, efficiency, and precision. So, understanding these systems is not just an academic purpose. Of course, it is unlocking the door to the inner working of the machines that shape our modern world. Let's get started with the basics of machine. What is a machine? A machine can be broadly defined as a mechanical device designed to perform a specific task or a set of tasks, typically by utilizing energy to achieve a desired output. It is an integrated system consists of machine components, structural system, and suitable mechanism and power transmission systems. A machine can vary from simple machine like bicycle to complex machinery. For example, the image which is given here is a car. Car can be taken as a machine, and this machine is an integrated system consists of structural element which covers all the internal components. It has number of components from driver side to the driven side. An engine is the source which can be called as a driver, and this energy produced in the engine has to be transferred for the useful work which is done by the wheels. It can be done only through effective power transmission system called gearbox, and the gearbox view has been given here, which is made by number of gears. Basically, this gearbox playing key role in transferring the power from the driver side engine to the driven part of the wheel for doing the useful work. Machine is designed always for reducing the manual work. Here, the car is considered as a machine. It is an integrated system which receives chemical energy as an input in engine, which is converted into a mechanical energy, and that is transferred effectively through this gearbox and other integrated components to the wheel so that the car can move from one place to another place, by which the human effort for the transportation can be reduced. So the machine is always meant for reducing the work, in which receiving a form of energy and converting into mechanical and transferring to a driven part for doing a useful work. Car is the best example to understand. So here the engine is considered as a source and the wheel is considered as a useful work. In other words, this can be called as a driver part and this can be called as a driven part. A system which connects both driver and driven is called as a transmission system. From this, we can understand that for any machine from simple to complex, an effective appropriate transmission system is mainly required for the successful running of the machine. Let us see another example that every day we are watching at our home. It is a domestic wet grinder. In this wet grinder image, there is a steel structure which covers all the inner components called structural elements, and there are number of components involved in this. This machine is meant for some useful work, it is for a grinding purpose. Though it has number of components in it, a source of motor should be connected with the driven part which is going to do the useful work. Here a belt drive is connecting the motor and the point where this grinding wheel is running. So here the belt drives is a key role for transferring the power from the source to the useful work. Without this machine cannot be run. And the next example is a bicycle which can be considered as a simple machine. It is also having a structural part, number of components, and also the effective transmission system for transferring the motion. Here it is a chain drive is playing a key role for transmitting the motion from one wheel to another wheel. Look at this example, elevators. This elevators for actually for useful work to reduce the human effort going for a higher elevation, it is being designed. So this is also a machine in which there are number of components, like how it is numbered, these many number of components are available. But then there is a belt drive here, the number 1 to reduce the speed from the motor, as well as there is another power transmission element called the rope which is playing key role in handling this compartment so that the power can be transferred from this motor to do this useful work of lifting purpose. So here the rope is another transmission element which plays important role in working on this particular machine. And thank you for watching this.